Welcome to Rajmahal Opencast project of Eastern Coalfields Limited, a mine in Godda district of Eastern Jharkhand. This mine is totally linked to Farakka and Kahalgaon super thermal power plants of NTPC. This OCP started in 1985 with initial capacity of 5 million tonne per year. In 1988, 10.5 million tonne per year project expansion was approved by Government of India with capital cost of rupees 967 crores. Expansion was implemented with Canadian assistance. Second expansion to 17 million tonne per annum is under implementation. This is a view of typical shift start when employees comes and starts their shift. The geological reserve of the mine is 493 million tonne of coal and mineable reserve is about 468 million tonne of coal. The mine, having manpower of 2,441, is having OMS of 16.35 tonne per man shift. The life of the mine is estimated to 48 years. At present, total employees in Rajmahal project is 2,422. Employment given against land is 1,374 and number of villages benefited with employment is 22. This is a view of typical shift start when operators are being ready to start the dumpers. This is a view of computerized control room which controls and monitors all the mine operations with the help of Wenco, a Canadian company make truck dispatch system. The dumpers are of three categories, namely Canadian make Dresser 170 tonne Howell pack dumpers, 85 tonne Komatsu dumpers and 100 tonne indigenous BEML dumpers. The project is presently having 15 170 tonne dumpers, 29 85 tonne dumpers and 7 100 tonne dumpers. We are giving training to the educated local land losers and engage them as dumper operators. All the operators are skilled and paid higher scale for running these HEMM. At present, these dumpers are mainly engaged in removal of waste that is overburdened soil as the coal is being carried by hired equipments. This is a view of heavy earth moving dumper in the Howell road which is nicely water sprayed to suppress any dust pollution. Let us come to the mine area to take a bird's eye view. The Howell roads are wide, nicely graded and water sprayed. The elegant vision of mine with good shape of benches. The different seams are clearly visible. The mine is equipped with sufficient different sizes of shovels, dozers, graders, drills and other auxiliary equipments. The 5 PNH make 20 cubic meter big electric rope shovels are the asset of the mine. There are two 10 cubic meter electric rope shovels, one 9.5 cubic meter hydraulic shovel, 1 5 cubic meter hydraulic backhoe shovel, and 3 laborer make 13 cubic meter hydraulic shovels. A nice view of 20 cubic meter P&H rope shovel digging overburden from the topmost bench and loading the 170 ton dumper. This overburden will be dumped in the other side of the in-pit dumps. These in-pit dumps, when filled to its capacity, will be used for plantation of trees to recreate the original environment. The overburden, when dumped, is compacted and dosed properly for good compaction to avoid any landslide and to make it suitable for plantation. A view of 20 kiloliter sized water tankers being filled for spraying water in the haul roads of the mine area as well as on the roads of the surrounding villages to avoid dust pollution. For spraying purpose, mine dewatering water is used. The road graders are very efficient for leveling the haul road. This improves the movement of the dumpers in the mine and reduces the diesel consumption and reduces the wear and tear also. The digging capacity of these P&H shovels is 3.65 million cubic meter per equipment per annum, and hauling capacity of 170 ton dumpers are 0.52 million cubic meters per annum per equipment. This is a view of top bench with sufficient wide face and sufficient advancement. The annual capacity of 10 cubic meter rope shovel is 1.8 million cubic meter per annum. The annual capacity of 12 cubic meter rope shovel is 2 million cubic meter per annum. Similarly, the annual capacity of 85 ton dumper is 0.287 million cubic meter per annum. See the drilling and blasting operation. This is 311 mm DMH drill digging holes on the top of the coal bench. View of explosives which will be charged in the dug holes. Hole in rocky strata. These holes being filled with explosives. These explosives are site mix slurry (SMS). The whole blasting operation is done in strict expert supervision. These holes are now filled with sand and compacted. For breaking hard coal, blasting preparation is being done. Firstly, detonator is put into the hole and then SMS is filled in, which converts into explosive within minutes. Before blasting, whole area is cleared and no man is allowed to enter nearby. The area where blast will occur. View after blast. Second blast is going to begin. This was blast in parting starter. Now a blast in coal seam. Generally 3 to 4 blasts are usually done each day at change of the shift at 2 p.m. After blast, coal is ready to be lifted and a row of 6 L&T make PC300 shovel starts lifting the coal in tippers, which will be transported to coal handling plant at a distance of 2 km after weighment at a computerized weigh bridge. This is the way to the crusher. This financial year's ending March 09 project is targeted to achieve a total production of 11.6 million tonnage of coal and to remove 13.2 million cubic meter overburden, and so project would handle about 20 million cubic meters of composite volume. In these scenes, 3 to 4 benches are visible. This is the coal face visible. Above this there is a parting bench, and above that there are 2 benches of overburdens. This is the picture of a small Volvo Max shovel. The diesel tanker is going to different place after filling the diesel in the shovels, and above this a 85 ton dumper is carrying overburden. And here a grader is committed to remove debris off the road for uninterrupted movement of the dumpers. The production, dispatch and maintenance of the mine is closely monitored by the General Manager Operation of the project and his team of executives and staff. Here 3 trippers have taken their load and going to unload the coal at crushers. Now a view of coal handling plant. Rajbal project have capacity to handle 10.5 million tonne of coal per annum at this main CHP and 2 million tonne per annum from interim CHP. This CHP, commissioned in 1991, is now 17 years old. This CHP has 4 crushers with single roll crusher having crushing capacity of 1200 tons per crusher per hour. This plant is having 3 streams of belts of capacity of 1200 tonne per hour. This is a view of rock breaker breaking a big chunk of coal. The coal is slowly but steadily passing over the apron feeder to the single roll crusher. In this crushing pit, coal can be unloaded from both sides. Here a tripper is unloading coal from other end. This coal handling plant is equipped with dust suppression system, which consists of water sprinklers at different points and air filtration system. This is the view of one of the 3 conveyors carrying coal from crusher to surge silo of capacity of 1500 tonne of coal. This is 250 kilowatt motor driving the single roll crusher. Surge silo discharge coal through 4 numbers of vibratory feeders to 2 numbers of bales, each having capacity of 1800 tonne per hour. Prime movers of the conveyor belt. Coal from surge silo goes to ground bunker for storage. Coal from ground bunker is reclaimed by plow feeder and reaches to this rapid loading silo. This silo has total 4 loading points with computerized weighment system. A view of coal loading in wagons. It takes about 23 to 25 minutes to load a complete rack. On average, 10 to 12 racks are dispatched every day. Each wagon contains 65 tonnes of coal and it is filled in just 20 seconds. Loaded wagons coming out of the silo. View of full rack. This rack will go either to Farakka or Kahalgaon and come back on the same day for another load. A view of CHP control room. This CHP is PLC based and all operational controls are given to this control room. Now a view of workshop area and pit office. Electrical repair shop. Rope shovel and hydraulic shovels parts are being repaired. View of machine shop. $85 dumper repair section. $170 dumper repair shop. Suspension of 170 dumper is being repaired. Wheel motor section. View of engine section where engine is being inspected. View of canteen. Personnel department of Rajmahal OCP regularly maintains and inspects the hygiene, quality of food and service. CGM's office. We are concerned for the plantation and the environment also.
अंधेरे से खोद लाते हम उजाले खुशियों के, चट्टाने फोड़ जुटा दे हम ईंधन लाखों के। हम हैं कोल इंडिया हम। कदम मिले चले ताल मिलाकर साथ पकड़ कर बाहें, हम लाए काला हीरा हमसे उज्जवल देश गिरा है। हम हैं आग हम हैं बिजली हम एक